Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss about your Facebook ads copy and the way that you can make it stand out. If you're here because you want to see something about AI and all of that, you can leave. This is not a video about AI and how you can create a copy with AI. This is a video that I'm going to show you how you can put bold or italic or all of that into your copies. I'm not saying that this is something that you should all use, but I'm saying that if you want for something to stand out, like Black Friday, for example, you can put it on bold. Some people don't know how to do it, and it's up to you if you're going to overdo it or not. I'm going to show you the way, and then you can decide how you're going to use it. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that's going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So we're here in a dummy campaign that this is my book, by the way, if you don't know it. I have to write another book, but I'm actually really bored. I'm focusing more right now on the course, but anyway, it's still a good book. If you want to, I think you will take things. Of course, right now in the era that we live, YouTube is a place that you can find more information and learn more things faster. But anyway, this is not about my book. This is about the copy. So here we will write Black Friday, for example, 50% off. Okay, and do you see how it looks? Now, what if I could tell you that you could go to this amazing website, which is called italics.com. You can put this here, and you can pick any of these things that you want, even this one, and it's going to appear like this. Let's test this one and see how it looks. Put like this, boom, it looks like this. Okay, so a lot of times you can have something with bold like this one. Of course, you have to copy from here, and you come here, you add it here. Sorry, let's do it here. Boom, and now it's working like this. I can reassure you that if you overdo it, maybe it's going to look heavy and all of that, but a lot of times these things are actually working. The same thing happens on the headline. You can put something which looks more bold. This is where I have seen the biggest use of this thing, and you can do whatever you want. You can have over here this one, you can do this one that you are swiping off something, and a lot of times you are seeing this kind of, let's call them CSS power to the copy. Don't do this one which is upside down for some reason. Maybe even this one is something which is going to be funny. You can say with one text, turn your phone upside down, okay? And all the other text is going to be upside down so that you can read it. Maybe it's going to be a fun play to do with your ads. Anyway, the possibilities are endless over here, and you can do so many different things with all of these different things that you can add over here, and everything here you can see different colors and stuff and everything, so you can play with it for sure. I'm pretty sure that if you come here, you're going to start playing a lot. I like doing these things like weird and all of this kind of stuff, or this one which I have seen a lot of people using, or even using better calligraphic letters, or this one which is more like a newspaper style or whatever. I hope that you're going to like it. I hope that you're going to come play with it. Don't overdo it because it's going to look like circus, okay? But you can, now you have the power and you know how to do this kind of things that you are seeing in other ads, and maybe you didn't know how to do it. By the way, it's not any rocket science. If you Google bold letters on your Facebook ads, it's going to give you the yaytext.com. So that's all I had for you. I hope that you liked the video. I hope that you're going to use it. Maybe it's going to be useful for you, maybe not. Let me know in the comments if you liked it, if you used it, if it worked. And don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website. You can also check my mentorship programs, and below you can find all the people that they have completed them and their testimonials, of course. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.